Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Popular Direct. You may have heard of them, or maybe you haven't. But either way, I'm going to give you the lowdown on what they are, how they work, and whether or not they're a good fit for you. So, let's get started. What is Popular Direct? Popular Direct is an online bank that's been around since 2016. They're a subsidiary of Popular Bank, which is a much larger bank with branches all over the country. Popular Direct is focused on offering high-yield savings accounts and CDs to its customers. So, how does Popular Direct work? Well, it's pretty simple. You can open an account online in just a few minutes. Once your account is open, you can start depositing money into it. Popular Direct offers a variety of savings account options, each with its own interest rate. The higher the interest rate, the more money you'll earn. One of the things that makes Popular Direct stand out is their high-yield CDs. They offer some of the best CD rates on the market. So, if you're looking for a way to save money and earn a good return, Popular Direct could be a good option for you. Of course, there are some downsides to using Popular Direct. For one thing, they don't have any physical branches. This means that you can't go into a bank and talk to a person if you have any questions or problems. Instead, you'll need to use their online banking or call their customer service hotline. Another downside is that Popular Direct has some minimum deposit requirements. For example, you need to deposit at least $2,500 to open a CD. This can be a bit of a barrier for some people. So, is Popular Direct a good bank for you? That really depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account or CD, and you're comfortable banking online, then Popular Direct could be a good option. However, if you prefer to have a physical bank branch to go to, or if you don't have a lot of money to save, then Popular Direct might not be the best choice for you. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Popular Direct is right for you is to do your research and compare them to other banks. See what they have to offer and decide which one is the best fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, take care.